Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can watch TVNZ from outside of New Zealand and anywhere in the world. Okay guys, so I'm over here on the TVNZ website, and at the moment I'm located in Australia. So this means I am actually blocked from accessing this website when I go to log into my account. So if you're a New Zealander outside of that location, whether you're in Australia, United States, then it can be really frustrating, especially if you're trying to catch up on your favorite shows. And in addition to that, TVNZ actually has some really amazing shows like Friends and heaps of others that you can stream completely for free as well. So I'm actually here on the TVNZ website. Now if I go and try to log in, it will actually detect that I'm outside of New Zealand, and it actually won't allow me to access my account whatsoever. So what I'm going to do to fix this is use something called a VPN. And essentially what a VPN allows you to do is change your digital location and replace it with a new IP address. So you can essentially pretend to kind of be in that location, so that website sees you as you're in the actual country. So the VPN I'm using for this video is one called ExpressVPN, and I have found it to be one of the most reliable and the fastest for bypassing these restrictions, and also one of the fastest for TVNZ as well. So pretty much all you have to do once you install the VPN onto your desktop computer or iPhone or smartphone device, essentially all you have to do is click on these three dots and then search for New Zealand. So just go search for that one, click on New Zealand, and then press connect. And it simply is that easy. It literally only takes a couple of clicks. And also, if you do want to get started with ExpressVPN, I actually do have an exclusive 49% discount link down below in the video description. So now this is connected, which is highlighted in green. I can minimize this one, and I'll go back to the TVNZ website. I'll refresh the actual browser, and this is an essential step as this will refresh you onto the new version of the website, or the version rather that you can actually access. So now that I'm here, I'll go and log in. And as you can see guys, we're no longer getting the blocked symbol that we were getting just before. So I'm just going to go put in my login information, and I'll see you in just a bit. So I've got my login details, so I'll just go and click login. And I'll just give this a couple of moments to load. Select my profile. And as you can see guys, we now have access to TVNZ OnDemand, and we also have access to some pretty amazing TV shows right here that many other streaming services would actually charge you to watch. So what I'm actually going to do now is actually play a little bit of one of these TV shows in real time, as I really want to show you guys that this method is actually working when using the ExpressVPN app. So I can just go and click on Line of Duty, which is a really great British crime TV series, and I can just go and click watch now, and I'll let this play out in real time, just so you can get a real kind of indication of speed and quality when using the service. So as you can see guys, it's now playing a pre-roll ad, but this is working with no issues whatsoever. So I might just let this ad play out just a little bit and just show you the actual quality and load time of when the TV show is actually streaming as well. So I'll just let this ad finish out. But as you can see guys, when I'm scrolling through here, there's so many great TV shows and even movies that you won't find on Netflix and HBO Max and many other streaming services out there as well. So this should now be streaming, and as you can see guys, this is working with no issues whatsoever. And again, if you do want to access TVNZ from outside of New Zealand, then again, don't forget to check out the exclusive discount link for ExpressVPN down below in the video description. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.